Lahat gulat mga idol sa ending. Grabe yung duelo ni Nikola Jokic at ni SGA. Legendary duel ng 2 MVP candidate. Game 5 sa Oklahoma naman ng aksyon mga idol, Denver Nuggets versus OKC series. A great start para sa home team. 12-2 run to start the opening quarter. Naka-recover din kaagad ang Denver Nuggets na nagpapainit pa lang. Back-to-back and one opportunity kay Aaron Gordon at kay Nikola Jokic. Chet Holmgren, ang 7-footer big man, malagard mga idol ang bilis sa pag-drive niya sa play na to.
And they cut it to 4. Holmgren!
Lumamang ang Denver Nuggets sa 3-pointer ni Christian Brown. Not one but 2 3-pointers. Yung isang sumigaw na fan ng OKC, nag-stare down pa siya. Toe-to-toe action sa first quarter. Dikit ang laban mga idol, lamang lang ng isa ang Denver 28-27. Led by Nikola Jokic, 9 points. Second quarter, Cason Wallace, awkward landing. He gets the basket and one. Aaron Gordon sumagot to beat the shot clock. Fade away turnaround. Close game, Jamal Murray, 3-pointer wide open. Chet Holmgren spin against Jamal Murray and one basket, and SGA signature mid-range shot. Jokic high IQ play off the backboard assist to himself. Solid sa second unit ng Oklahoma City Thunder si Alex Caruso, 3-pointer, total of 8 points sa opening half. Napakasipag naman ni Aaron Gordon sa ilalim, double-digit scoring sa first 2 quarters. And Jamal Murray, smooth double clutch layup. Umabot ng 11 points sa lamang ng Denver Nuggets dahil sa tres na to ni Nikola Jokic. 19 points ang MVP sa first 2 quarters. And to close the second quarter, gumawa ng 9-0 run ng Oklahoma City Thunder para muling idikit ang laban. 56-54, 2-point game mga idol. Third quarter, MVP versus MVP, SGA to tie the game at 76. And Nikola Jokic, top of the key 3-pointer to answer. And Chet Holmgren to Isaiah Hartenstein, dunk and one. Sa depensa naman, Hartenstein again. Supalpal sa Aaron Gordon, napakalinis nun. Nagpaparamdam si Jamal Murray, corkscrew layup against Chet Holmgren, the 7-footer. May malupit ding sagot ang superstar ng home team. That's a great layup by SGA over Jokic. Battle of 2 Canadian guards mga idol, SGA versus Jamal Murray. Kung mainit na ang 26 years old guard ng home team, mas higit pang mas mainit itong si Jamal Murray. Back-to-back 3-pointers and fade away jumper to beat the shot clock mga idol. Pinapakita niya ang championship pedigree sa mismong home court ng Oklahoma City Thunder. Nagparamdam din sa Aaron Gordon, isang dosena na ang inahabol ng OKC, 80-68 with under 6 minutes left dito sa third frame. Nikola Jokic mga idol dito sa third quarter, hindi tinawagan ng traveling violation. Ang play na to hindi nakita na